back, everyone. It's Jim Donovan working from home this morning, social distancing. Well, yesterday was April 1st. For many people, that meant the rent was due. And unfortunately, in this uncertain time, many of those folks cannot pay that rent. So joining me right now is Joan Belfus from Community Legal Services. Good morning, Joan.
Good morning, Jim.
So yesterday, obviously, the first of the month, folks have been laid off, maybe they've lost hours on part-time jobs or something. What are you recommending for renters that are in that situation?
Well, renters should immediately contact their landlord to try to work out a payment agreement. They can ask to have some of their rent or late fees waived. What you should do is get this agreement in writing. This can be done through letter, email, or a text message. But if you do make an agreement, do not commit to anything that you cannot afford. If you are a tenant in subsidized housing, contact PHA or your property manager to ask to have your rent lowered due to a loss of income.
In the absence of reaching out to a landlord, because a lot of people, they'd rather just say, okay, maybe I'll just stay back and not reach out right away, and they maybe pay some partial payment. They shouldn't do that. You really need to get everything in writing and make sure that you have an understanding of what both sides expect.
Exactly, and they should call our tenant hotline to get more information on that if they need any advice or guidance.
There's a lot of confusion, though, because we're in Philadelphia, but then you've got a different rule perhaps in Montgomery County or over in Camden County in New Jersey. Is that also causing a lot of confusion?
Yes, I believe so. Every municipality has their individual laws. But if they call our tenant hotline, if they are out of our service area, we can direct them to the appropriate agency that can assist them.
Now, many states are making different regulations or temporary regulations, I don't know what you want to call right now, as far as protecting people from eviction. Isn't that the case?
Yes, we've seen that happening.
And what should people know about that? I mean, are they just stretching out the deadlines? I believe like evictions right now, I know in Philadelphia are basically on hold.
Yes, in Pennsylvania, there's currently a moratorium on evictions, lockouts, and foreclosures through April 30th. In New Jersey, they've extended the moratorium on eviction hearings and lockouts through April 26th. And there is also a 90-day grace period for mortgage payments. In Delaware, the moratorium on evictions and foreclosures is through April 16th. Now, as this is an evolving situation, we do expect these dates to change.
Mm-hmm. And as far as homeowners are concerned, should they reach out to their banks if they think they're going to have difficulty paying their mortgage?
Yes, any homeowner experiencing a loss of income due to a COVID-19 related issue, they should contact a mortgage company immediately, and they should also take note of who they spoke to and when, in case there's a dispute later on.
No, continue.
I'm sorry. Depending on the type of mortgage you have, companies can offer forbearances or waiver of late fees, but this, again, depends on the type of mortgage loan you have. Homeowners backed by Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac will be granted foreclosure relief, with foreclosures being halted for 60 days. Okay,
good to know. Joan, I do appreciate you getting up and joining us this morning. Joan Belfus from Community Legal Services. You have a great day.
Thank you, you too. And you can call our tenant hotline at 267-443-2500.
Great advice.